In this short video, I'd like to introduce you to some of the new features found in the new line of IAdea platers, specifically the XMP3250, XMP3350, XMP3450, XDS1950, and XDS2450. The new features in the IAdea platers were made capable by the addition of HTML5. The additional features include a clock, calendar, weather feed, Twitter feed, news feed, RSS feed, and web page capabilities, all in addition to the previous capabilities which included a playback of media files such as JPEG images and movie files. Since my past video has already shown the capabilities of the player to playback video, schedule, images, that sort of thing, I'm going to focus this video on the additional features that were offered by HTML5. The first step, as always, is to choose the appropriate player. In this one, we're going to go ahead and choose the XMP3250. Once that's completed, you're going to want to choose a layout that includes the HTML5 capabilities. We're going to go ahead and click this drop-down button, and you can see here's a scroll bar that appears, and by scrolling to the right, I can scroll over and choose one that has an HTML5 logo. This template includes the HTML5 widgets. Once I've found a template I like, I'm going to go ahead and start adding some widgets. Start out here in the upper right hand corner. We're going to click down here. The first thing I'm going to do is add a clock. Now what this will do is it'll go off the local time of the media player and just show the clock, and you can choose the duration by right clicking and choosing on options. You can also choose the color here, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it this whatever teal color and change the duration to 10 seconds. Go ahead and click OK. Now in the same area, I'm going to go ahead and choose another widget. I'm going to choose a weather widget. Now as you can see, it has the same color. You can choose to use that same color up there. You can change the color, and there's some various colors, or you can choose more and actually create your own custom color. I'm going to go ahead and go with the same color. Also here you'll see there's a drop-down box that has some popular cities. Now you're not stuck with just these cities, so all you got to do is go in here and type in a city you want to show. I'm going to go ahead and put Salt Lake City, Utah. Then click OK. Now you can continue and enter as many widgets as you like in this box, or you can start adding your normal media such as images or movie files. Now we already know how to do that, so we're going to go ahead and skip that part. You would then duplicate the same steps in the other box here. We'll go ahead and add a clock, go ahead and add a weather, and we'll put Bozeman, Montana in this one of my favorite places to fish, and so on and so forth. Now I like to keep the weather, clock, and calendar feeds on these boxes here because that's the formatting that really works well. I like to keep the RSS feeds and news feeds and Twitter feeds in the ticker below. Because your news feeds, Twitter feeds, and RSS feeds all tend to be strings of sentences, you want to give them the most room. So that's why the ticker feed on the bottom works best. Okay, so the first thing we're going to enter into the ticker box at the bottom is going to be a RSS feed. Pretty straightforward. What I do is I copy and paste the RSS feed link and just copy it into this box here, change time, hit OK. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and do a Twitter feed. Going to choose the Twitter feed we want to follow, IAVI tweet, and 7 second, let's make it, hit OK. And the last thing is going to be a news feed. Just go ahead and read when you get a pop-up, it's going to warn you that this is not for commercial use. This is just because they don't have an agreement with Yahoo News. We're going to choose this, choose sports. We've already got top story, so we'll choose sports. And another 15 seconds. That's it.
So what we have here is an example of what you'll get once you've created the digital signage as indicated in this video. As you can see in the upper right hand corner we have a clock, we have the weather, and then playing in the main screen is actually a live TV feed. And I've just gone ahead and gone straight from a digital satellite box or cable box into the media player itself. Now you can also play your own videos in that same area, or you can play images, whatever you want. I just wanted to show you an example that included a live TV feed.
For information on the IAdea products or other products that IAVI carries, please feel free to call us toll-free at 888-999-6564, or you can visit us on the web at IAVI.com. Thanks and have a great day.